So children, today we will read the poem Timothy Boo, which is written by the American author I.B.O. Eastwick. So children, do you know who is the main character of this poem? The main character of this poem is a little boy who loves to fly in the sky. And the name of the boy was Timothy. Yes, he is the Timothy Boo, who flew up to the sky with the help of a balloon. So let's start the poem now. Timothy Boo bought a balloon, blue as the sky, round as the moon. Now I will try to make it fly up to the moon, higher than high, Timothy said, nodding his head. So here we meet the little boy Timothy, who bought a blue balloon. The balloon was blue in color and it was also round in shape as the moon. Now, Timothy started thinking and talking to himself. And he is saying that he wanted to make it fly up to the moon, and if the moon goes more high, then he wanted to go higher than the moon. And he is saying all these words by nodding his head. So children, what is the meaning of nodding? Nodding means moving. So next para now. Timothy Boo sent his balloon up to the skies, up to the moon. But a strong breeze stirred in the trees, rocked the bright moon, tossed the great seas, and with its meat shook the whole earth. So now, what did he do? Now Timothy Boo sent his balloon up to the skies. And how he did it? He did it by tying the balloon with a thread. And he made it to fly up to the skies and up to the moon. But do you know what happened? But a strong wind came and it takes the balloon up to the sky. When the balloon was going up to the sky, the thread of the balloon stuck on the branches of the tree, and it came forward and again it goes back. Again it came forward and again it goes back. And in this way, it was crossing the great seas. So, when Timothy was going up with the balloon, he felt very happy by watching the whole earth is shaking or moving. So children, do you have any experience to go up from the earth? If you have, then you can realize that when we go up from the land, sometimes we felt that the earth is shaking or moving. So this thing also happened with Timothy. When Timothy goes up from the sky, he felt that the earth is shaking or moving. So children, now go to the third para and see what Timothy is doing. Timothy Boo and his balloon, caught by the breeze, blew to the moon. Up past the trees, over the seas, up to the moon. Swift as you please, and oh, I forget, they have not come down yet. So, here, Timothy and his balloon went up to the sky. So Timothy blew as he was playing with his balloon when a swift wind came and his balloon flew up to the moon. It went over the trees, it went over the seas, and quickly it went up to the moon. And lastly, the poet remembered that yes, he forgot to say that both Timothy and his balloon didn't came down yet. So children, this was the poem, and I hope you will understand it. And what you have to do now, you have to read this poem again and again, because this will help you to understand it easily. So children, in our next class, we will underline the important spellings and the synonyms that are important from this chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye.